Meaning of godly.
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 Godly. The term godly is often used to describe someone or something that is divine, holy, or sacred in nature and actions. It can refer to a person who embodies qualities of godliness, such as kindness, compassion, and generosity. In a broader sense, godly can also describe a situation or outcome that is miraculous or beyond human comprehension. In essence, to be described as godly is to be seen as possessing exceptional spiritual or supernatural qualities or displaying exceptional moral behavior. It is a term used to convey a sense of awe, respect, and reverence.